NPTC Group of Colleges Taster Days is an opportunity for Year 10 pupils from our partner schools to come into college and experience a full day as a college student following a curriculum of their choosing. And the idea is that it gives them an idea of how different college can be to learning in school. So pupils can either follow an A-level route, studying more academic subjects, or they can sample our vocational areas. If you're following a vocational pathway, the facilities at the college are second to none. In addition to the learning opportunities, pupils can also find out more about the college's support services and what makes us more than just an education. With so many options open to them, it's really important that pupils get a taste of what it's really like to be a student at NPTC Group of Colleges.